Here in just a moment, we're going to go ahead and look at a small little clip that I've recorded here off of my 2003 Toyota Tacoma, and we'll go ahead and let you decide for yourself whether or not this light bar is right for you. So it's been 10 months since I've had that light bar. Haven't had any problems. Been working great since the day that I installed it. I've been through tons of dust. I've been through lots of water. Granted, it is recessed inside of the truck. But even then, I haven't seen any kind of hazing. It has been working great. No problems whatsoever. So, yeah, you go ahead and decide. I love mine. I bet you'll love it too.